Hey guys, so I'm basically gonna go ahead and this is my like makeshift vanity that I created that I was telling you guys about. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this entire thing, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the Dollar Tree first, and then or what I got to kind of bring this all together, and then I'm just gonna get to it. So first, I got these glass containers. I got 3 of them. I got that from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to use these as holders. You'll see once I clean everything up. I got this organizer. That's from some roses I had. I got this organizer I'm going to use. I went ahead and bought these faux flowers from the Big 99 store. One of them already came off. But I love these. I love the way they look in this vase. I think it's really cute. So I got that. I already had this vase. Everything else I kind of already had. So I'm just going to take everything off of the table. I'm going to clean it off. And then I'm going to get started with everything. Okay? Okay. Okay, you guys, I'm all finished with cleaning off my little DIY vanity. This is leftover wood from my IKEA dresser. I'll link down below which dresser it is. I don't know if that actually matters or not, but whatever. And then this under here is a TV table. It's like one of those pull-out tables. That's what that is. On top, I have like my smaller brushes here. I have like my bigger brushes in this one. I have like my foundations that I use here. Mirror, of course. And believe it or not, this is off from a lamp. I took the base of a lampshade and turned it into like decor for my living room. So this is like the post that the lamp was on. So basically I just use it for my mirror because it's the same type of material, so it just looks like it's like elevated. And here I have my concealers. I have a mascara here, Urban Decay like brow wiz thing, brow tamer, and then I have some setting spray. And in here I have 2 of my favorite lipsticks in here, and then a blush and a bronzer. And then here is like my little office section, I guess. I just have like some pens, some clips, some stickies, some extra cubes. This is for my camera, and then my little extender for my iPhone. Oh, and then of course these flowers came from the dollar store. I really like how it turned out. So cute. And this vase is from the dollar store too. So y'all, everything that's on this table is either, this is from Dollar Store, and this is a mug from Dollar Store too. And I just wrote my signature on it with that marker, with one of these markers. It's like a really fun way for you to like put your own spin on some dishes. So yeah, y'all, everything that's on this table is from the Dollar Store, or is something that I repurposed. So yeah, even this is from the Dollar Store. So very affordable. You do not have to spend, a lot if you don't want to, you know what I'm saying? To make something work out. Basically, my whole point is you can use the things that you have to be able to have some things that you want and create like different spaces for yourself. But I made it do what it do with what I had, okay? And I actually really like it. So please, if you like this video, go ahead and thumbs it up and subscribe for more videos like this, DIY or like, just repurpose for affordable videos. So yeah, if you have any comments or anything, questions, let me know. And I hope you guys like this video. I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay.